Royal IHC, the technology innovator.
We have been involved in this project since September 2013. We saw the first renderings and sketches during our presentation that we did in the Melk office, and we discussed about 3D forming combined with the industrial possibilities of IHC.
This is very new for us. Normally we do ships and offshore projects. This is an art project, and we are very proud to do this together with MGM.
The design is based on a 3D model which is established through the entire process. That means during communication everybody is looking to the same model. During the engineering you're using the same model to do strength calculations, and during the fabrication you use this 3D model to create your molds, your cutting files, everything that is necessary to produce the entire shade structures.
It's a unique experience because of the new shapes. They are a bit similar like ship's hull, but there are holes in it, so forming these plates was a challenge for us. We didn't know how the material would react to the shaping, but in the end the result is magnificent.
The building process has different steps. The first step is the cutting, which is done by full automated plasma cutting tables. Then you do the stretching of the steel by the hydraulic presses or the rolling presses. And then the forming is done by the hydraulic presses to give it the 3D shape. After this we make all the steps of assembling and welding of the stems. Then the top of the stem will be cut off and will be welded to the facility floor to create a foundation to attach all the panels for the dry fitting process. It's impossible to build the entire stem with all the perforated panels inside, so that's why we have to cut off the top section. Well, after all the dry fitting you disassemble everything. After that everything is packed, created in containers and shipped to the US.
You need at least 15 years experience in cold forming if you want to do projects like this. It's quite difficult. You are not allowed to make any marks of damage on the plates because everything is visible. So you have to be very carefully, and I need a lot of craftsmanship.
If you look to the Las Vegas Boulevard, you can see that the concrete pavement of Las Vegas Boulevard is changed in the areas, the walkway of MGM hotels and the park area. And the magnitude of the shade structures will have a beautiful reflection of shades onto the pavement. And the spectacular light show at night will be one of the new experiences along the Las Vegas Boulevard.
Royal IHC, the technology innovator.